For today's video, I would like to share with you the oceanic views here in North Philippines. I really amazed the beautiful oceanic views here. It's very beautiful. As you see here, did you know that Pacific Oceans is the one of the biggest and huge and deep ocean in the whole world? The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of Earth's 5 oceanic divisions. It extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean. In the south is bounded by the continents of Asia and Oceania in the west and the Americas in the east. Pacific Ocean depth 4,280 meters, area 165.2 million squared, water volume 710 million kilometer cubes. Which countries is the Pacific Ocean in? Countries that border the Pacific Ocean includes, among many others, is Chile, Ecuador, Peru, Papua New Guinea, Japan, Australia, USA. 5 states of the USA border the Pacific Ocean is Alaska, Washington, Oregon, California, and Hawaii. Pacific Ocean, the largest ocean on Earth, is filled with mysteries but also subject to great pressures like climate change, plastic pollutions, and overfishing. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth. It spans 60 million square miles from California to China, and in certain regions extends tens of thousands of feet below surface of the water. To get a sense of just how immense the Pacific Ocean is, you could put all Earth land masses together and the Pacific would be still a larger oceans. The name Pacific Ocean is a version of pacified or peaceful. It was named by the explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1520.